When I first initiated the Ocean Cleaning Project, my goal was to tackle the growing problem of plastic pollution in our oceans, as well as inform other people about the ways they could help. One way of doing so was by actually cleaning up the beaches and hopefully inspiring other people to join. My cleanups were mainly based in Egypt, the Netherlands, and the German coast. As I was determined to have a meaningful impact with my project, I arranged a meeting with Egyptian hotel managers to discuss the ways of reducing their plastic usage. Additionally, I presented my project at the Spring Festival as well as Grade 1 and 2. As the response of the people was very positive, it made me even more committed to the project. The Ocean Cleaning Project taught me to be more responsible of my own actions, whilst also being mindful of the environment. Moreover, it helped me to overcome my fear of giving presentations, as I was aware of the global significance and how inspiring other people to take actions would reduce plastic consumption. To get a different perspective on plastic pollution, I also went scuba diving in Egypt. Although the amounts of plastic found there were not enormous, a decline in fish species was visible due to overfishing. To further improve my diving skills, I took an advanced open water course specialized in deep diving, navigation, perfect buoyancy, and night diving. Through scuba diving, I learned to be more patient as well as respect and not interfere with the environment. I also learned to be more responsible of the safety and well-being of others while diving. To not only help on a global scale, but also on a local scale, I joined the group Gutes CAS für Grevenbroich. The group's goal is to clean the environment of waste and make the city a better place to live in. In collaboration with the city, I created an image film about the project to inform and motivate people to participate. The film was uploaded on YouTube and got very positive feedback. Through this project, I not only improved my filmmaking skills, but also learned the importance to work collaboratively in order to reach a goal. In collaboration with the refugee initiative Recht auf Spiel, I created a stop-motion movie depicting the daily struggle of refugees living in a new country. The project is aimed to inform refugees about the cultural differences to avoid conflict. The first part of the movie was uploaded on YouTube and will be followed by the other parts in the future. The project allowed me to promote more tolerance for refugees whilst working with different people with extraordinary stories. Moreover, I also helped the initiative by translating paperwork for refugees and helping students with schoolwork. I was always welcomed with joy and learned as much from them as they learned from me. The experience taught me to take actions in issues of global significance as well as improve my communication skills. One of my CAS activities was rock climbing and bouldering indoors. My focus was on improving my technique to climb harder routes. I also worked on finger strength and endurance. To achieve this, I planned out my climbing sessions and did circuit training. Especially with rock climbing, you learn to trust your partner and vice versa. Another activity that I did for CAS was baseball. I played in the juniors team of the Capel Turtles, achieving 3rd place in our division. I was also awarded best hitter of the team, showcasing my development over the years. Through baseball, I improved my teamworking skills, as well as my leadership skills, as I motivated and helped other players to improve the game. Concludingly, I can say that CAS had a great impact on my personal growth and made school life much more enjoyable. CAS allowed me to become more responsible and showed me the importance of taking actions in issues of global significance. I want to thank my teacher, Mr. Urban, for having faith in me and supporting all my projects. CAS is not a burden, but an opportunity.